Hello, this is Nate, or otherwise known on YouTube as your boy Review Stuff, because I do reviews on my YouTube channel. Um, so I finally got the fan. It came really fast, and I just want to give, like, before I even dive into this, I want to give a huge shout out to Michael Willis on Facebook Marketplace and on Facebook. Um, this is a really emotional moment for me, and I don't think most people understand. But it's really just surreal that a part of my childhood is finally back. So yeah, thank you, Michael, for shipping it out, and thank you very much for being the most absolute nicest person I've ever talked to on Marketplace. You are, on top of being the nicest person, you are the quickest and the most responsive seller I have met. Um, you are patient, you are understanding, and most importantly, you mean a lot to me right now. So, yeah, thank you very much. I'm really excited to open it. Um, yeah. Oh man, I haven't seen one of these since 2014. Actually, that I meant. Actually, no, yeah, because I saw it when it got thrown out. They had it out on the front lawn because it got ruined in the flood. And we lived in Huntington Woods at the time. And we don't anymore, but yeah. So I think what happened was, it was if I remember correctly, there was a really bad thunderstorm. It was a severe thunderstorm, and one of the storm drains, the sewer drain, I forget what they call them, but the drains on the outside, they failed. So our entire street ended up having their basements flooded. Like in 2014, that fateful day, the next morning, the entire street was just full of black bags. Like, it was crazy. But, yeah. Enough emotional talk. Enough, oh man. Sorry for your shakiness, guys. Oh, wow. Um, enough of childhood trauma. Yeah, let's dive right into us and, get this, opened up and, get my first look at finally having something that means a lot to me back. Oh wow. Um, I'm, I'm doing this one-handed, so I apologize if video quality isn't the best. Hold on, I'm gonna have to stand up. Can I open it? Oh, I can. I can open it. Okay, that means I can put that away. Oh man. Wow. I actually have it back. Oh wow. In a way, I'm almost scared to open it. I'm not, but I am in a way. I'm just really overwhelmed. I've been looking since 2014. That's like, because I was born in 2003 and it happened in 2014. So I've been looking ever since then. I finally got it back. Wow. Yeah. This, Michael, I don't know what kind of shipping you used, but buddy, this came so fast. And I'm really happy. I just want to thank you again because I, you're just one of the nicest people I've met on Marketplace, and I'm forever grateful. So yeah, thank you again. And without wasting any more time, let's get into this. Oh wow. Let's move this. Very well packed. Throw that over there. And it was there. Oh man, I see the badge too. Oh, I'm so sorry guys for the poor video. Like, I can't do all of it all at once. So, okay. Let's try and get this out real quick. Bubble wrapped. So nice and safe. I'm very pleased to see that. Let's see here. Wow, I actually have it back. This is crazy. And to think that when I was 5 years old, I was about the same height as this fan. Or there was at one point in my life where I was pretty much the exact same height as this fan. And when I would sit down, my head barely was up above that. What? Oh, right. Yeah. But I was like, it was my head, when I'd sit down, my head was barely right about there. And I'd be about the same height, if not a bit taller. I don't know how I'm gonna do this with my hands alone. For hand. Very well packed. One moment. Let's see if I can get this. Awesome. Okay. Wow. I'm actually gonna X-Acto knife this. Cut that away from me. Luckily I have a garbage can right here. That should be good enough. Wow, it's really mine, isn't it? Man, this is an emotional moment for me. If I take a while, I'm sorry, guys. I'm just, wow. I'm overwhelmed, I'm emotional, and I'm reminiscing. You guys still recording? Yes, you're still? Yeah, you're still going. Okay. Can I just take it off now? Wow. Unreal. I really have it back. Oh. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, wow. And I don't really get emotional. You know, I don't really get emotional, guys, but it's just one of those things when you have lost something for so long and you finally got it back. The plug could be in a little bit better condition. No worries, I can just bend it back. Make sure that you guys are still recording because I can't see. Okay, you guys are. Awesome. So, plug seems to be in fairly decent condition. That right one right there, that right one right there is a little bit bent. So I'm gonna try to make that straight again. So yeah. You might just have a moment where you're seeing only the fan. There we go. That's all better. Okie doke. Let's see here. Without stopping the recording accidentally, let's guys back. So I'm just gonna plug it in our outlet right down there. It's an old safety outlet. Gotta feel where I'm plugging it in. Okie doke. Wow. Wow. Okay, guys. I mean, there's really nothing more to it other than, well, it's plugged in and let's start it up. Let's see what's like. I don't remember what low speed and high is. Low speed is the furthest back position. So I'm gonna be quiet. I'm gonna let you guys. And that's low speed, people. I mean, look at my garbage can. Look at that. Like, that's low speed. Wait, I'm gonna grab a brand new tissue. That is low speed. My hair is blowing up here. I mean, that's crazy. And this is really mine? Am I dreaming or something? Wow. I mean, just wow. I mean, it seems pretty well lubricated too for the age. It could probably use some lubrication, but I mean, for the age, just. So let's do from off to high, the startup sound. And now let's wait for this to shut off all the way again, and then we'll do it from off to low. See what that sounds like from startup. So this is as it is currently in its condition. So I think it could definitely be lubricated. I think that overall it's in beautiful, pristine, like the absolute best condition of the ones that I've seen available to me. And most of them were out of budget, way too expensive, or just like I've never found one in such good condition and have it be my budget or have someone that would ship it to me. And I just, so many good things have been happening as of late into this year. I mean, my sleep schedule is finally fixed. I got my childhood fan. I got cut off. So when you are hearing this part blended into the video, it's because my phone stopped recording for some reason. But less blabbering. Startup sound from off to low speed. Let's go. just wow. I, I wow. I'm lost for words. I had been looking for one of these for so long. Wow. I finally have one again. I'm so happy. But yeah. Thank you again to Michael. You are the best Facebook Marketplace seller in the world, and every one of those 5-star reviews you have on Marketplace as a seller, you deserve them. I would have rated you 5 stars if I could, but you deleted the listing before I could. Yeah. So there's your update. Michael, you had asked me to update you when it got here safely, and it is here very safely. It is here, and yeah, it got here really fast too. Wow. Again, thank you so much. It's just, I'm at a loss for words. It's like, is this really my house? Wow. Okay. Thank you again. So yeah, there's your update, and to those watching on my YouTube channel, this used to be a fan I had growing up, and it got ruined in a flood in 2014 in my old neighborhood. So yeah, and I know most of you guys won't understand why it's so important to me, but I'm a collector, and this fan got me into collecting. So it's like, you lost something that was a part of your childhood, you got it back. So yeah, to those watching who are on my YouTube channel, this is Nate, or your boy reviews, and Michael, there's your update, and thank you so much again. I'm just, I don't know what to say. I don't know how to put any of my feelings into words right now. I'm struggling to come up with words right now. That's how much of a loss of words I am, how much this means to me. Yeah, I don't know. I just, thank you so much. One more time, I'm gonna put it on high, then low. Or no, wait, I said high, then low. I meant low, then high. Now off. Unreal. Just wow. Wow. I'm at a loss for words. Okay. Bye, guys.